Hey, what's up going on, people? We're back in the old dirt floor barn today, and we're working on Donald's new 3000 that he's yet to see in person. This is the one I was telling you about. I went and got 8-speed transmission, power steering. He's super excited. We want to get it going for him. What we're doing today is changing the injection pump. This one has the CAV style, CAV, injection pump. We got him a new one over there in the box, and that's what we're going to be working on today. So if you like this kind of content, make sure that you give us the old thumbs up down there at the bottom. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, because we got a bunch of work to do to this tractor before we deliver it to him. So here we go. We're going to start by getting this radiator hose out of the way, because we've got to get access to the front cover. I don't know. Just do it.
I didn't leave the road. I didn't pick the tree over the deer.
Had a girl.
Okay. But I slammed on my brakes so hard, like I've never hit them that hard before. Cause you know, like I.
Now we'll get the fuel lines off. Now we got to look at our timing marks and see where it's timed at. That's going to be a critical part of this, because you have to get your pump time back right. If you don't, it's not going to run right. And this is where we will zoom the old camera in. Now that may be hard to make out, but this pump is timed at 0 degrees. There's your timing marks there, and several down through here. And I'm looking, and that is a 0. I don't know how good it shows up, so we know we're going to go back to 0 degrees on the timing. So before we got too carried away, we'll get that marked. Alright, when we pulled them out of the box, see where this one was timed. This is how that one came off. So we're going to turn this one to roughly the same place. There we go. That looks pretty close. And now it'll line up with the timing gear. Finished getting our little pieces of hardware swapped over. I went ahead and changed that hose back there. We'll get this piece swapped over and we'll be ready to go back on with it. to have that. Come on now, cooperate. And that's what we want to see. We want to get the dowel pin lined up directly in its little slot and the gear pulled back in. See how close we were. There it is. Boom. Awesome. Because that gear won't go back in until you have the dowel pin, which is right there, lined up in the slot that we looked at whenever we were timing the pump on the bench. So, once you get that, then you're going to come right here, get your 3 bolts, hold the timing gear or the pump gear back on. And they go right back in. Alright, now just some reverse order. I think we're going to go ahead and speed this one up too. So let me see if I can find my little clip for my shut off. I hope that that video will help you, give you the confidence. Hey, changing that injection pump is not that hard.